Okay, hello guys. So I'm back with another video, and this is some of the stuff that I work on when I'm not on YouTube, staying at home with the kids. So I am a crafty person. This is one of the projects that I'm working on. I'm not finished with it yet. I haven't earned it on the shirt right now, but I'm going to show you other couple of things that I'll be doing. So here you go. This is a cute onesie. Love you to the moon and back. I made this shirt too. Cute for boys. This right here, I haven't finished this Hello Kitty right now, but I'm getting ready to earn it on right now. I made this too. A couple of other projects. Elmo, because I know my son loves Elmo, so I made this for him. And this unicorn shirt right here that I haven't even finished yet. But this is some of the stuff that I do when I'm not on YouTube. So if you like anything, just please follow my Instagram at JustBeingShy, and the clothing Instagram is My Little World Collection. Please follow my other YouTube channel at Home Decors and Sewing. Thank you. See you guys later.